the Hot Spot Grill, which is 2601 Atkinson Avenue in Killeen, Texas, and we are here to announce the winner. The owner, Yesenia Santiago, is very busy cooking for everyone, so just wanted to show you what that plate looked like. Right now you're going to have the bacon rice, the bacon rice, gandules, the empanada, and the pulled pork and the tostones. That's the price. And the winner of our contest is Andy Newman. We had several different other top 4 people. It was Margaret, Kathy, Marisol Vargas, and Elizabeth. And Andy Newman was the one that was pulled out of the hat. So Andy, you're going to enjoy this very much on Valentine's Day. This is your gift, and you can contact the Hot Spot Grill. I will post the phone number so you can contact them. They're open tomorrow also, I believe from 11 to 2 or 12 to 2. If you are not able to get this price now, you can use it for later. Thank you for supporting Que Pasa en Killeen, Central Texas. Enjoy it and have a happy Valentine's Day. Bye.